batch editing works a bit differently with portrait images, and here it is especially important to focus on similar scenes. For instance, here we have 3 different scenes. The first one is with Studio Lighting and a white background, and the second one is with a different background but Studio Lighting again, and the third one is with a natural lighting, and as you can see, it transforms the image completely. That's why we need to treat it differently. So let's start with the white background. First, I need to set the correct exposure and white balance adjustments. So I'm going to slightly increase exposure, and I think, yeah, this white balance fits well here. So now I'm going to set this image as the reference, and I'm going to select all the similar images, and now I'm going to apply these smart adjustments. Okay, looks good. Our next step is to apply all the additional adjustments, copy them, and apply them to all the images from this scene. So first I'm going to adjust HDR a bit, like this. Also a slight increase in contrast, and yeah, maybe I will slightly adjust the skin tone here. I would like to make it just a bit brighter and a little less saturated, like this. Now I'm going to copy these adjustments, and I will not copy exposure and white balance because these adjustments are unique for every image. And I will apply these adjustments. Okay, looks really nice. Now, I would like to make the background of all these images a little brighter. So, here's what I'm going to do. So, I'm going to select my reference image, and here I'm going to create AI mask for background. Yeah, like this. Now, I'm going to adjust the background. So, let me see. Yeah, maybe a slight exposure adjustment. And also I'm going to desaturate the background a bit. Yeah, like this. I don't need a pure white color. So according to the numbers, yeah, I can increase exposure a bit. Yeah, that's pretty okay. Next, I need to create a style that will contain this AI background mask and all my adjustments. So I'm going to save custom style, and here I will uncheck everything except the background AI mask. Okay, let's call it bright BG background. And now I need to select all my images. And where is my, yeah. Let's wait a bit. Okay, looks good. Let's compare before after. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, I think this scene is done. For the second scene, I would like to save all my adjustments as a single style. So this style will include smart adjustments, AI masks, and all color grading. So first of all, I need to find a reference image. Yeah, I think this one will fit well here. I'm going to slightly lower the exposure, and also I will set a bit different white balance. Now I'm going to use this image as the reference image, and this reference image will be saved in my style. So I'm going to click Set as a reference, and now the color grading, and here I would like to apply different color gradings to the background and to the model. So first I'm going to create the background AI mask. Okay, like this. And I'm going to color grade it with the color balance tool. So let's apply a slight cool color grading. Maybe something like this. I think it works pretty well here. Also, I'm going to add additional clarity. And maybe I will slightly increase contrast of the background, and like this. So my next step is the subject, and I'm going to create the subject AI mask. And I'm going to apply one of my creative styles for this layer. Let me see. Yeah, this one looks really nice. So I'm going to apply it to selected layer, and I will also adjust opacity because I would like to lower the impact of this style. So now let's compare before after. Yeah, this is the color grading I was looking for. Now I would like to apply these adjustments to all my images from this scene. So I'm going to save custom style, and here I will exclude my regular exposure and white balance adjustments because I will include my smart adjustments, my smart white balance and smart exposure. And also I'm going to include my subject AI mask and background AI mask. Let's save it this way. Okay, now I need to select all my images, and I'm going to apply my new color grading background style. Let's wait a bit. Perfect. As you can see, Capture One has adjusted every image individually, so the white balance, as you can see, is different from image to image. So Capture One has not just copied white balance and exposure adjustments, it has set unique values for every image according to my reference shot. So for instance, here and here we have various white balance and exposure adjustments, but all of them fit the reference look. Also, Capture One has created unique background and subject masks on every image. So as you can see, we have different masks on every image, and these masks contain my color grading adjustments. So yeah, this is how batch editing in modern portrait photography should work.